Hello Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, and a tarot and oracle card reader. So for this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of August. This is for my dear Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest you generate yours. So kindly go to the description section. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. You just need your date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Taurus as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading kasi based on an article that I have read, na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, let's proceed with your reading. But before I proceed with the reading, my dear Soul Tribe Taurus, I already put pre-selected or intuitively pulled the cards for you, and I'll already have the teaser. So let's dive deep muna with your angel number. Might be these are the angel numbers that you had been seeing recently. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Taurus, please. So we have 4, 3, 5, and 3. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 4353. Might be there is a certain message for you na kailangan mo mabasa with this particular angel number. So 4353. You might be seeing a lot of 44, 444, 33, 333, 55, 555, and I also see 1111, 111, and 11 as a certain confirmation of this particular reading. So if you had been recently seeing yung mga angel numbers na yun, it's just the guide that you're on the right path or a certain reminder for you to keep a positive mindset even though you don't see things clearly as of the moment. So for this month of August, my dear Taurus, it will be focused with the moon. As I've said, might be you don't see things clearly as of the moment. Maaring clouded yung judgment mo with the moon card. Na kung saan the moon, your conscious, unconscious, sensitive, in inner emotions and responses. So might be what is currently happening into your reality, my dear Taurus, is being triggered by, kumaga parang triggering yung mga traumas and issues na meron ka. And it somewhat worries you and you become emotional because of that. So, might be nga, as I've said earlier, your judgment is clouded, you don't see things clearly as of the moment, na gusto mong malaman kung ano yung mangyayari, what will happen next, how will it happen, when will it happen. So, this is calling you to keep a positive mindset with the magician here. So, currently, you are manifesting changes. You are wishing and hoping that there would be changes on the horizon. But then again, we are the creator of our reality, my dear Taurus. It's time for you to be mindful what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak. Kasi that becomes your reality. And in manifestation, you need to be intentional. You need to be clear on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. Set the intentions and the goals on how you will be achieving that. So the obstacle that you needing to overcome, my dear Taurus, is the Ace of Pentacles. Bakit obstacle siya? Wherein new beginning siya. Kumbaga parang for some of you, you are getting too attached to this particular offer, opportunity, relationship, proposal, to the extent that you are relying for this for your happiness, for your fulfillment, for your satisfaction. Remember, whatever is coming your way, relationship, money, possession, fame, it's only an additional. You had to be whole and complete within yourself, and whatever is going to come your way is only an additional in your life, an additional piece of the puzzle. Hindi siya yung bubuo sa buhay mo, sa pagkatao mo. It's only an additional. Wherein, it's time for you to come to realization. So, this is a time for you to see the bigger picture on why things are currently happening in your career, your finances, and your love life. Why are those certain obstacles, delay, challenges took place? What is the lesson that you needed to learn from that? And by contemplating, coming to realization, you will now be clear kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari when it comes to your career, your finances, and your love life. So, the King of Swords. So, it's time for you to be strategic, be logical, be practical. So, let's see for your career, your work life, and business. What is your current energy? And what will be the energies that is coming your way? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, current energy of my dear Taurus when it comes to their career, finances, work life. So, you might felt that you had been deceived. You had been cheated. You had been, kumaga parang, you have been in this certain energy na you have been deceptive, or this is time for you to be cautious. Not everyone in your surrounding wants the best for you. So I'm been channeling on that. Kasi maaring you might be kumbaga parang too boastful of what you currently have, and the more that you are showing off, the more that you share, sometimes kung sino man yung pinag-sharean mo, who are you sharing it with, they don't have the best interest. So it's time for you to be mindful who you are sharing your wins, your plans in life, kasi they might end up having evil eye from those certain people and situation. And also, it's time for you to be, kumaga parang be reserved, kasi the more that you are giving away all of your time, love, and effort, energy to a certain situation, opportunity, tapos it wasn't reciprocated, kung ano man yung efforts na ginawa mo, you felt deceived. So maaring nag-effort ka, nagbigay ka ng time and kumaga time and also energy to the situation, and it was not properly reciprocated the way that you had invested to, and that is the reason why you are feeling deceived and you are feeling cheated. So this is your current energy, deception. Maaring people are being sneaky on you, probably being deceptive, and also with the moon card here, kumaga hindi mo makita kung ano man yung possibilities on the horizon. You felt deceived kasi nga, you feel na walang patutungan, walang nangyayari, walang progress. You did all your best to a certain situation, opportunity, and yet you are not seeing any movement, any growth from it. What is the energy coming your way, my dear Taurus? What is the energy coming your way? So, High Priestess, lessons will be learned, or lesson to learn. So, kailangan mong matuto from what you had experienced from the past, which is this Seven of Swords. Kung you were the giver in the certain situation sa company, nag-overtime ka, tapos it was not paid, ano yung kailangan mong gawin? What is the lesson that you needed to learn from that? So, this is a time for you to reassess the learnings, the lesson, the insight that is provided by those certain circumstances that you had encountered. And also, it's time for you to trust the process on how things are unfolding. It might not be the same way that you are anticipating it, but it will be coming into fruition in its proper timing, or its divine timing. So remember, the important thing, my dear Taurus, is not the outcome, it's not the future, it's not the position, it's not the promotion, it's not the money, it's not the salary. Hindi yun ang importante. The important thing is the process on how you will be achieving the outcome. So, nandun na yung outcome energetically. The question here is, how will you be able to achieve that? What are the actions and decisions that you needed to do? Okay? And for you to make the actions and decision, kailangan mo magnilay-nilay. You need to come to realization on what is the learnings that you needed to learn from every obstacles and challenges, setback, trials, delays that you had experienced with your career and your finances. So, let's see with your relationship. With your relationship, it regardless if you're single, in your self-love, healing journey, marriage, boyfriend or girlfriend, this will be applicable to you. Kasi why? In readings naman, the way that we are channeling the certain energies is through, the certain readings is through energies. It regardless if you're single or not. Kasi the first relationship that you needed to establish is the relationship that you have with yourself. Okay? So what is the current energy of your relationships, your love life? Okay, Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what is the energies of your relationship? My dear Taurus, what is the energies of my dear Taurus relationship? Ooh, Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Okay, we have here the Six of Pentacles. You might be giving too much of all of your time, love, and effort to everyone else. You had been the giver. Probably in your connection, you were the one giving, nurturing, mothering your person, mothering your partner to the extent that you are wanting it to be reciprocated. So, gusto mo, kung ano man yung binigay mo, it will be reciprocated. Same energies with your career. So, dahil ikaw yung giver, you are expecting the same thing in return. Where in reality, my dear Taurus, how you are loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you receive it from others, not the other way around. Kung ikaw yung giver sa connection, you were the one taking care of your partner, it was not reciprocate, you were the one making the efforts for the relationship, or the situation, or for other people, thinking by doing that, yun yung makukuha mo from them. No. You are just teaching them how they will be doing it to others, but not to you. So, instead of waiting for other people to nurture you, to love you, to respect you, ikaw dapat ang unang magbigay nun sa sarili mo, my dear Taurus. You need to be the first one to give it to yourself first. And what is the excess, whatever is the excess of love, care, value, respect that you have to yourself, yun lang yung ibibigay mo sa iba. Not all of yourself you will be giving to other people. Kasi mangyayari na, you will be drained. You will be consumed by other people if you give too much without leaving some for yourself. What will be the near future? Or before you will be supported by other people, before ka i-support, tulungan ng mga tao sa paligid mo, you need to help yourself first also. Kasi kahit tulungan ka nila, but you are not willing or not willing to accept the help, then wala rin. It's useless. Okay? So, what will be the energies coming your way when it comes to your relationship, my dear Taurus? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the answers. What is the energies? So, Hierophant. Wow! We have your Divine Counterpart, High Priestess, and we have your Hierophant. So, divine counterpart to. So, there would be commitment on the horizon for some of you. But before this certain higher level of commitment, marriage, boyfriend, girlfriend, or any other commitment that you are anticipating, before ka mag-enter into a higher level of commitment, loving, committed relationship, you need to have that commitment to yourself first. The first commitment that you will be needing to have is the commitment to yourself, other than commitment from other people, my dear Taurus. Kasi whatever commitment from a partner, from the relationship, yung makukuha mo, my dear Taurus, is only an additional in your life. You had to be the first one to love, care, value, respect, and accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. And meaning to say, ikaw dapat ang unang mag-commit, magbigay ng commitment, sense of commitment sa sarili mo. So, hindi obligasyon ng ibang tao to love you, to respect you, to value you. It's your obligation to yourself. Okay, so let's get you your oracle guidance, my dear Taurus. What is the oracle guidance for you for the month of August? What is the oracle guidance? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Oracle guidance for my dear Taurus, please. So, thinker. So, it's time for you to strategize. It's time for you to contemplate on certain things. It's time for you to prepare yourself for what you wanted to manifest into your reality. As I've said, magician, you are the creator of your reality. My dear Taurus, be mindful what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak, because that becomes your reality. So, it's time for you to set the intentions and the goals on what you wanted to happen, to manifest into your reality. You want to succeed in your career. Gusto mo maging successful sa career mo. What career? Be specific. You want to put up a business. What business? Who is your target market? What is the product that you're going to sell? You need to be specific on that. Same thing with the relationship. If you want to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with someone, you need to have that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. So, let's get one more. So, co-create. As I have said, so, you are one with the universe. You need to co-create. So, another example, it's like buying a product, my dear Taurus. You had to be specific with the size, with the color, with the design. Same thing in what you wanted to manifest into your reality. You need to be clear. Set the intentions and the goals on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. So, hindi lang tayo basta wishing lang, I wish I have a boyfriend, I have a girlfriend, I wish I have a spouse. What spouse? Anong characteristic ng spouse na yun? What kind of relationship do you want to manifest into your reality? As I've said earlier, you want to put up a business. What kind of business? Who's your target market? Sino yung, kumbaga, if you're wanting to transfer to a different company, what position are you going to apply for? You had to be complete with the details, my dear Taurus. You had to be clear on that. So for you to be able to be clear, you had to come to realization. You need to step back and contemplate on certain things. Okay? Now, let's see what is your affirmation, my dear Taurus. Ano yung affirmations mo? So, I am stepping into the unknown and welcoming the unexpected. With the energies of the High Priestess and the Moon, it's time for you to trust the universe, trust the process. Even though things aren't clear as of the moment, my dear Taurus, hindi mo man nakikita yung visible progress, movement from your reality, surrender, trust the process. Because again, the important thing is not the outcome, Taurus. The important thing is the process or the journey. So we have here 8. Wow! So successful. Your talent for setting and reaching goals is like no other. You are self-sufficient and capable of achieving your ambitions. And 8 represents the ebb and flow, the infinite loop of creation. So it's time for you to feel abundant within yourself. Feel successful within yourself. Kasi the abundance, the love, the happiness that you are looking for is found within you. You need to be, kumbaga parang you need to be fulfilled, satisfied, content within yourself. And last messages, we have the messages from your spirit guides. So we have here Gorilla. Take the time to listen compassionately to those you love, especially your family members. So, not only with your family members, but take time to step back, to contemplate, and listen to your intuition. So, that is the reason why kailangan mo magnilay-nilay. Kasi by doing contemplation, you will be able to find the answers. Kasi sometimes, the answers that you are seeking, Taurus, is found within you. It's not found from people around you. Whatever they're going to tell you is additional lang. Okay, opinion lang nila yun. So we have here the Octopus. Practice shape-shifting by altering your physical appearance and mannerism. So with regards to this one, shape-shifting and altering your mannerism, so it's time for you to be mindful what you are thinking, what you are speaking, and what you are visualizing. Kasi baka for some of you, it's your mannerism na mag-imagine, mag-overthink, sabi ng mga certain words. Kasi we are the creator of our reality. You have to be mindful what are the words that you are speaking. Like for example, the word wala or nothing, it's very powerful. If you keep saying walang nangyayari, walang progress, nothing is happening, there is no growth, there is no progress, the more that you are affirming it to the universe. So instead of speaking it out, try to contemplate on how you will be channeling kung ano man yung nangyayari. Kasi whatever is currently happening into your reality, my dear Taurus, it's only the external factor. It's not the basis of your value and your worth as a certain individual. So this is what I got for you, my dear Taurus. If this happened to resonate sa situation nyo, do give me a comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And for those who would like to avail my services, tarot reading, oracle card reading, or wanted to join my coaching mentoring program, Heartful Connection, kindly go to the description section at the lower part. Nandun yung instructions on how you will be availing my services, tarot reading, and coaching program. Or you go directly sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. So this is what I got for you, Taurus. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!